Hello, my dear friends. Today, I want to talk about something incredibly important that can make a real difference in how you feel every day, especially as we get older. Now, I know many of you are already doing a fantastic job taking care of yourselves, brushing your teeth, taking showers, and eating healthy. But did you know there are small areas of your body that often get overlooked in our daily hygiene routines? And these areas can have a surprisingly big impact on your overall health and energy levels. Before we dive into this, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Anna Caldwell, and I've spent over 30 years working with seniors just like you, helping them live healthier, happier lives. I've learned so much from my patients, and today, I want to share some of the most surprising hygiene tips that can truly transform your health. These tips are simple, easy to follow, and don't take much time at all. And trust me, you'll feel the difference once you start. As we go through this journey together, I'll share step-by-step instructions and some real-life stories from people who've made these changes and seen amazing results. You might even recognize yourself in some of these stories. And if you've got questions or want to share your own tips, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Who knows? Your advice might inspire someone else to make a positive change. Point 1. The tongue, your health indicator. Let's start with the tongue, a part of your body that often gets overlooked but plays a critical role in your overall health. Think about it. Your tongue is not just for tasting your favorite foods or helping you speak. It's also a key indicator of your health, and keeping it clean can make a world of difference. Here's why it matters. Your tongue acts like a sponge, collecting bacteria, food particles, and dead cells throughout the day. Over time, this buildup forms a coating on your tongue. You might have noticed it when you wake up in the morning or after a heavy meal. That coating doesn't just cause bad breath. It can allow harmful bacteria to spread to other parts of your body, potentially affecting your heart health and immune system. It's like having a dirty air filter in your home. If you don't clean it, it impacts everything downstream. But the good news is that cleaning your tongue is quick and easy. Here's what you can do. 1. Start your day right. Each morning, before breakfast, stand in front of your bathroom mirror. Stick out your tongue and take either a tongue scraper or your regular toothbrush. Gently scrape your tongue from the back to the front 3 or 4 times. This motion removes the bacteria and debris that have built up overnight. Think of it as wiping down a countertop, thorough but gentle. 2. End your day fresh. Repeat this process before bed. But this time, be even more gentle. Your tongue has had a long day, and you don't want to irritate it. 3. Adjust for comfort. If you're new to this, you might feel a bit of gagging at first. That's completely normal. Start by scraping from the middle of your tongue and gradually work your way further back as you get more comfortable. Let me share a quick story. Mary, a 67-year-old friend of mine, started cleaning her tongue regularly about 3 months ago. Before she made this change, she often felt tired and noticed her sense of taste wasn't as sharp. But after adopting this simple habit, her energy improved, her food started tasting better, and even her dentist commented on her healthier gums during her last visit. It's such a small change, she told me, but it makes me feel so much fresher and healthier. Now, if you notice anything unusual about your tongue, like persistent soreness, discoloration, or an unusual coating that doesn't go away even after cleaning, it's a good idea to check in with your doctor. Sometimes, your tongue can give you clues about deeper health issues that need attention. Cleaning your tongue only takes about 2 to 3 minutes a day, but it can make a huge difference in your overall health and well-being. It's a simple way to show your body some love and keep yourself feeling your best. Point 2. Feet, the foundation of senior health. These incredible parts of your body carry you through life, but they often go unnoticed until there's a problem. Proper foot care isn't just about comfort. It's a vital part of staying healthy, especially as we age. Why are your feet so important? Think of them as the foundation of your body. Just like a house needs a solid foundation to stand strong, your body depends on healthy feet for balance, stability, and movement. As we grow older, circulation issues or conditions like diabetes can show up in our feet first, making proper care even more critical. Neglecting your feet can lead to infections, discomfort, and even difficulty walking. But here's the good news. Keeping your feet healthy doesn't require much effort. Let's break it down. 1. Daily washing. When you're in the shower or sitting on the edge of the bathtub, take a soft washcloth and warm, not hot, water. Gently clean your feet, paying special attention to the areas between your toes. Think of it like cleaning the slats of window blinds. Those tiny spaces can collect dirt and moisture that you might not see. 2. Dry thoroughly. After washing, it's essential to dry your feet completely, especially between your toes. Moisture left behind can create the perfect environment for bacteria and fungus to grow. Use a clean, soft towel, and take your time to ensure every part of your foot is dry. Think of this as drying dishes. Leaving water behind can lead to issues later. 3. Moisturize carefully. Once your feet are dry, apply a small amount of moisturizer to the tops and soles of your feet, but avoid the spaces between your toes. This prevents cracks in the skin while keeping those areas dry and healthy. 4. Inspect regularly. Make it a habit to check your feet for any changes, like redness, swelling, discoloration, or sores that aren't healing. These could be early warning signs of health issues like poor circulation or infections. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. Let me share a story about Tom, my 73-year-old neighbor. For years, he ignored his feet, thinking they didn't need much attention. But when he noticed some discoloration between his toes, he went to his doctor and discovered it was the beginning of a fungal infection. After starting a simple daily routine of washing, drying, and moisturizing, the infection cleared up, and Tom noticed an unexpected bonus. His balance improved, and walking felt more comfortable. I never realized how much better I'd feel just by taking care of my feet, he told me. Foot care doesn't have to be a chore. It only takes about 5 minutes a day, and the benefits are well worth it. With regular care, you'll notice softer skin, fewer aches, and better overall mobility. Plus, healthy feet mean fewer doctor visits and more time to enjoy the activities you love. Point 3. Armpits, a hidden hub of health. You might be thinking, I use deodorant every day, so what more do I need to do? But here's the thing. Armpit care is about so much more than just fighting odor. This often overlooked area plays a crucial role in your body's health, especially for seniors. Why are your armpits so important? Your armpits house a network of lymph nodes that are part of your lymphatic system. Think of this system as your body's natural drainage network, filtering out toxins and fighting infections. If this area isn't kept clean, sweat, bacteria, and product buildup can clog the system, leading to irritation, infection, or even a weakened immune response. It's like letting trash pile up at a busy intersection. Things start backing up, and nothing runs smoothly. Here's how to give your armpits the care they need. 1. Gentle washing. During your daily shower, use warm water and a soft washcloth or sponge. Apply a gentle, unscented soap to avoid irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. Barbara, a 65-year-old retired teacher, discovered that switching to unscented soap made a world of difference for her. I used to get rashes all the time, she told me. But once I started using gentle soap and washing properly, those problems disappeared. 2. Effective cleaning technique. Lift your arm and clean the area using gentle, circular motions. Make sure to clean in all directions, up, down, side to side. Imagine you're polishing a delicate piece of glass. Be thorough but not rough, as the skin in this area is sensitive. 3. Rinse thoroughly. After washing, rinse off all the soap. Leftover soap residue can irritate the skin and cause discomfort. Think of this step like rinsing your dishes. You don't want any soap left behind. 4. Pat dry. Once you're out of the shower, pat your armpits dry with a soft towel. Don't rub, as this can irritate the skin. Moisture trapped in this area is like leaving wet clothes in a hamper. It creates the perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. 5. Deodorant application. Wait a few minutes before applying deodorant to give your skin time to breathe. This reduces the risk of irritation, especially if you're using a product with strong fragrances or chemicals. The benefits of proper armpit care go beyond just feeling fresh. Within a week of adopting this routine, many people notice a reduction in odor, even before using deodorant. Your skin might feel smoother, and you might experience less irritation or tenderness. Rose, a 70-year-old grandmother, shared her experience with me. I used to get small, tender lumps under my arms, but after paying more attention to cleaning this area properly, they've completely gone away. My doctor said it's because my lymphatic system is working better. This small change can have a surprisingly big impact on how you feel. By taking just a couple of extra minutes each day to care for your armpits, you're not only improving your hygiene, but also supporting your body's natural detox processes. Point 4. Nose, breathing your way to better health. Let's take a deep breath, literally, and talk about your nose. It might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to hygiene, but your nose plays a vital role in your health. It's not just for smelling the roses or breathing fresh air. It's your body's natural air filter. Keeping it clean can improve how you breathe, prevent infections, and even help you sleep better. Why is nasal hygiene so important? Your nose filters about 10,000 quarts of air every single day. That air carries dust, pollen, bacteria, and other particles that can get trapped in your nasal passages. Over time, if these passages aren't cleaned, it can lead to blockages, infections, or even chronic breathing issues. Think of your nose like your home's air purifier. If you don't maintain it, everything around you starts to feel a bit stale. Here's how to keep your nasal passages clean and healthy. 1. Morning routine. Start your day by giving your nose a quick rinse. Splash warm water around your nostrils to loosen any debris. For a more thorough clean, use a saline spray. Saline is safe, gentle, and helps clear out mucus and irritants. My friend Jack, a 68-year-old former construction worker, started using saline spray daily after struggling with allergies. It's like a mini shower for my nose, he says. I breathe better and sleep better now. 2. Proper blowing technique. When blowing your nose, be gentle. Use a clean tissue each time and blow one nostril at a time while gently pressing the other closed. This prevents too much pressure from building up in your sinuses, which can cause discomfort. 3. Steam benefits. During your evening shower, take a few moments to inhale the warm steam through your nose. This natural moisture helps loosen any debris that's accumulated during the day and keeps your nasal passages hydrated. 4. Hygiene and cleanliness. After blowing or cleaning your nose, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Just like you wouldn't leave the kitchen dirty after cooking, you don't want to leave bacteria lingering on your hands. 5. Signs to watch for. If you notice unusual symptoms like persistent congestion, pain, or unusual discharge, don't ignore them. These could be signs of an infection or other underlying issues that need a doctor's attention. Betty, my 71-year-old sister, swears by her daily nasal care routine. I used to wake up feeling stuffed up and groggy, she says. Now, I breathe easier. My seasonal allergies are so much better, and I even feel more rested in the mornings. Within just a few days of adopting a proper nasal hygiene routine, you may notice that you're breathing more freely. Many people also find they have fewer morning headaches and feel less congested overall. This small habit can make a big difference in how you feel, especially as the seasons change and allergens like pollen become more common. Point 5. Belly button, the forgotten health harbor. Let's talk about one of the most overlooked parts of the body, your belly button. Yes, that small, seemingly insignificant dimple on your stomach deserves attention too. For many of us, the belly button hasn't been on our radar since childhood, but it can have a surprising impact on your hygiene and overall health, especially as you age. Why is your belly button so important? Think of it like a pocket in your clothing. Things can get trapped there without you even realizing it. Your belly button is the deepest crease on your body, making it a perfect hiding spot for sweat, dirt, lint, and even bacteria. If left uncleaned, it can lead to unpleasant odors, skin irritation, or even infections. The good news? Keeping your belly button clean is quick and simple. Here's how to do it. 1. Daily cleaning. During your shower, take a soft washcloth or cotton swab and wet it with warm water. Add a bit of gentle, unscented soap and clean the inside of your belly button. Use your index finger under the cloth to gently reach into the crevice. If your belly button is deeper, tilt your body slightly forward to make it easier to clean. Think of it as cleaning a small teacup. You want to be thorough but not too rough. 2. Rinsing. Once cleaned, rinse the area thoroughly with warm water to remove any soap residue. Leaving soap behind can cause irritation, especially in such a sensitive area. 3. Drying. After your shower, pat the area dry with a clean, soft towel. Moisture left in your belly button can lead to bacterial growth, much like leaving water in a damp sponge. Take a few extra seconds to ensure it's completely dry. 4. Watch for changes. Keep an eye on your belly button. If you notice any redness, unusual discharge, or persistent odor, it's a good idea to consult your doctor. These could be signs of an infection or other underlying issues. Let me share a story about Helen, a 75-year-old retired nurse. For years, she didn't think much about her belly button. But during a routine checkup, her doctor noticed a minor infection in the area. Helen started cleaning her belly button daily, and not only did the infection clear up, but she also noticed the musty smell she'd been dealing with for years disappeared completely. "I never thought something so small could make such a big difference," she told me. Within just a few days of adopting this simple habit, you'll likely notice several benefits. Any mysterious odors will disappear, the skin around your belly button will look clearer, and you might even feel more comfortable overall. It's a tiny area, but it has a big impact on how fresh and healthy you feel. Belly button hygiene takes less than a minute a day, but it's a game changer for maintaining good health. By adding this small step to your routine, you're taking another important step toward feeling your best. Congratulations, my friends! You've made it through this journey of discovering the 5 often overlooked areas of hygiene that can make a big difference in your health and well-being. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. The tongue, your health indicator that needs just a few minutes of care each morning and evening to keep harmful bacteria at bay and improve your oral and overall health. The feet, the foundation of your body, requiring daily attention to prevent infections, improve balance, and ensure you can stay mobile and active. The armpits, a vital hub for your lymphatic system that benefits from gentle cleansing to reduce irritation, improve toxin drainage, and keep you feeling fresh. The nose, your body's natural air filter that thrives with simple daily cleaning to help you breathe better, prevent infections, and enhance your quality of life. The belly button, that small but mighty health harbor, which stays clean and odor-free with just a minute of daily care. These aren't big changes, but they're incredibly impactful. By paying attention to these often ignored areas, you're not just improving your hygiene. You're boosting your energy, preventing health issues, and setting yourself up for a more vibrant and comfortable life. Now, here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these areas to start with today. Maybe it's giving your tongue that extra care it needs in the morning, or perhaps it's finally paying attention to your feet. Start small, build the habit, and then add the next step. Before you know it, these simple routines will become second nature, and you'll feel the difference in your daily life. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these tips are you excited to try first? Or maybe you've already been doing some of them and have your own success stories to share. Drop a comment below and let me know. Your experiences could inspire someone else to take better care of themselves, too. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Remember, it's never too late to make small changes that lead to big improvements in your health and happiness. Stay curious, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves. Until next time, keep smiling and shining.